What planet do you call this? Earth. Earth. Really? You call your planet Earth? As in soil. The black, dark brown muck. Made from organic remains, clays, and rocks. Organic remains such as feces, and decomposing material. That is what you call your planet. Pauses. You're not really selling it, are you? What do you call your nearest planet? Mercury. Really Mercury? Not Mars or Venus. Because Mercury orbits faster. And is on average closer to Earth than Mars or Venus. How interesting. And what dull object is Mercury named after? A swift-footed, Roman messenger, deity. You're fucking kidding me, right? It's not named after the liquid metal. Right. The liquid metal was named after the swift-footed, Roman messenger, deity. Because liquid metal was also called quicksilver. Right. I guess it's slightly better than Earth. Unless one of your deities is called Earth. No. Your Earth deity is Gaia. There was a Norse goddess of the Earth, whose name sort of sounded like Earth. Was she made from organic remains, clays, and rocks? Pauses. Why not rename your planet Water? Or Ocean? Even Minerva makes more sense than Earth. Rolls eyes. Minerva? The Roman goddess of wisdom, justice, law, victory, and the sponsor of arts, trade, and strategy. Pauses. Second thoughts. Koalmos. God of stupidity, foolishness, and being a fucking idiot.